Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about subtraction of mixed numbers with regrouping. This maths is intended for grades 5 and 6. And to those who are willing to join with me solving number 1, and later I will give you number 2 that will be your task, and your answer will be placed in the comment. So for number 1, I have 8, 1 over 6, minus 3, 5 over 9. So take note, 1 cannot be subtracted by 5. So need to regroup. So in regrouping, need to borrow from 8. Borrow this 1. So my new whole number is 7. And then take note, 1 that I borrowed from 8, that will be in form of fraction. So this will be 6 over 6. Okay, so I have here, this will be 7. So, as what I said, the one that I borrowed from 8 will be in terms of fraction. So, this will be 6 over 6. And then plus existing fraction, that will be 1 over 6. So, this will be 7. And then, similar fraction, so take common. So, that will be 6. And then add the numerators. So, this will be 7. Because 6 plus 1 is 7. And then copy this one. 3, 5 over 9. And then this will be also 3, 5 over 9. Then next will be find the LCD between 6 and 9. Least common denominator. So this will be 18. 18 also in here. So 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 5, 10. So I've got 3, 10 over 18. So our goal in here to make similar fraction in here, fraction. So next is 18 divided by 6 is 3 times 7 is 21. Now we can subtract this one. 7 take away 3 is 4. Then 21 take away 10. So this will be 1. 2 take away 1 is 11. So I've got 11 over 18. So take note, 11 is an odd number, and then the denominator 18 is an even number. So this will be the final answer for number 1. Now I will give you number 2. As what I said, this is your task. Write your answer in the comment. So number 2 is 8. 1 over 2 minus 2, 4 over 5. So, I will wait for the answer in the comment. That's all.